How to track your order on Glovo. Hi beautiful people, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can track your orders on Glovo app. Yes, your orders can be tracked and I will show you how you can do so in this tutorial. So the first thing to do is to launch the app. Once you've launched the app, you will be brought to the home page where you would see stores that you might like, and then by the top part of the screen, you would see the profile icon by the right left side, and then the search bar in the middle, and some coins by the top right corner. So the next thing to do is to move to the profile icon by the top left corner. Now once you click on the profile icon, you will be taken to your profiles page where you see your account, my orders, my information, Clover Prime, etc. Now the next thing for you is to click on my orders. Once you click on my orders, you'll be taken to your orders page. On this page, the next thing for you to do is to select the order that you would like to track. All right, because on this page you will see your past orders as well as your own ongoing orders. Currently my orders page is empty because I have not made any order on my Glovo app. So once you've seen once you are brought to your orders page, as you can see on my screen, just select the order that you'd love to track. Once you select it, you will see the options delete, edit, or track. Click on track. Once you click on track, you'll be taken to the page where you will be given some on-screen instructions. Ensure you follow the on-screen instructions, and once you follow the on-screen instructions, you will be able to track your order and see how far it has gone. So this is how you can track your orders on Glovo. Very simple and direct. Go ahead and try it out now. Thanks for watching.